Hello everybody, welcome to the Tools Guy. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. Embarking on the journey of welding can be an exciting endeavor, and for beginners, finding the right equipment is crucial to ensure a smooth and enjoyable learning experience. Among the myriad of welding options available, MIG, metal inert gas, welding stands out as an excellent choice for those just starting. Known for its user-friendly nature and versatility, MIG welding is a popular method that allows beginners to grasp the fundamentals of welding without overwhelming complexity. In this guide, we will explore the realm of welding through the lens of beginners, aiming to discover the best MIG welder tailored to their needs. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 5, YesWelder. The YesWelder 200 amp aluminum MIG welder, YWM-211P, is a versatile welding machine designed for both beginners and experienced users. It supports multiple processes, including synergic MIG, manual MIG, single pulse MIG, double pulse MIG, lift TIG torch not included, and stick welding. The synergic MIG feature facilitates easy communication between the power source, feeder, and gun, making it user-friendly for new welders. The machine accommodates up to 0.9 mm, 0.035 inch, MIG solid wire for gas MIG welding and is capable of handling various materials, including steel, stainless steel, and aluminum. On number 4, Zogan. The Zogan 250A aluminum MIG welder is an industrial-grade welding machine that offers a comprehensive set of features for versatile welding applications. The device boasts a 6-in-1 capability, supporting gas/solid wire MIG, gasless flux core MIG, stick/MMA, spot welding, lift TIG, and spool gun welding. The synergy control function allows users to pre-program parameters based on wire diameter and gas-metal combinations, streamlining the welding process for optimal results. One standout feature is the welder's ability to weld aluminum, carbon steel, and iron. On number 3, Arc Captain. In Adam Mason's review of the Arc Captain stick welder, large lead a multi-process synergic MIG welder, the focus is on its affordability and features. Arc Captain, an established welding equipment manufacturer, introduces the MIG 200 as a 6-in-1 welder capable of MIG, flux core, stick, and lift TIG welding, making it suitable for various DIY and home repair projects. The package includes essential accessories such as a MIG welding torch, welding ground clamp, welding electronic holder, welding gas hose, brush, hammer, nozzle, rollers, diffuser, contact tips, and a user manual. While the accessories may not be of the highest quality, they are functional for the tasks at hand. On number 2, Zogan 250A. The review emphasizes its suitability for welding projects, making it a valuable tool for crafting and repairs. The welder is commended for its versatile power options, compact and portable design, robust build quality, and responsive gun and cable. Positives: beginner-friendly, intuitive controls and straightforward setup ideal for newcomers. Versatile power options: accommodates different workshop setups with a 120 to 240 volt plug adapter. Compact and portable, suitable for both workshop and on-site use. Robust build quality, durable construction with a solid ground clamp and stick holder. Responsive gun and cable, well-designed gun trigger and flexible yet sturdy cable. On number 1, VEVER. The VEVER stick welder, priced at $75.99 with a clearance discount, offers a versatile solution for welding needs. It operates on both 110V and 220V with automatic conversion and provides outstanding performance on various welding rods, making it suitable for stainless steel, low-carbon steel, and other metal materials. The maximum output current is 110A, 120V, or 180A, 220V. Notably, this stick welder includes a plastic welding function, allowing for both metal and plastic repairs. The plastic welding gun and staples enable efficient plastic welding with a quick setup. The welder features a hot start function for easy arc initiation and arc force for smoother welding and deeper penetration. In conclusion, Choosing the best MIG welder for beginners requires a careful consideration of factors such as ease of use, versatility, and affordability. After reviewing various options, the Yes Welder MIG 205DS emerges as a standout choice for novice welders. Its attractive price tag, coupled with the ability to handle MIG, flux core, stick, and even DC-TIG welding, makes it a versatile and cost-effective solution. The Yes Welder MIG 205DS offers a range of features, including dual voltage compatibility, 110V/220V, preset controls for welding parameters, and a compact, lightweight design. So guys, this was the video about the best MIG welder for beginners. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.